Welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about a question of October-November 2022, paper 32 and question 9. Well, the question says that the diagram shows a semicircle with a diameter AB, center O and radius R. The shaded region is the minor segment of the chord AC and its area is 1/3 of the area of the semicircle. The angle CAB is theta radians. Well, you can see here theta radian C, A and B, and it also states that the shaded area, its area is 1/3 of the area of the semicircle. It means that the area of this shaded region will be multiplied by 1/3 of this whole area. So let's do this question. First of all, we will find the area of the triangle. Why the area of the triangle? This triangle AOC, this triangle, you can see this and this. Now the reason is that then we will find the area of the total arc AOC arc and subtract it from this triangle. Subtract the triangle area from that total one, so that we can get the shaded region area. That is what we did here. You can see area of the arc, and then we subtracted for the shaded area from the arc length minus the triangle area. Then we come up with this working, and finally we arrange it to theta, in terms of theta. Then you can see that we have applied an identity on it. What is the identity? Well, this is the identity, this one here. Sine 2a is equal to sine a cos b minus cos b sine a. Then we are up with this, and after simplification we get this, and as we take 1/3 common, 1/2 divided by 1/3 gives us 1.5 sine theta. We have shown the part A. Now part B, verify the calculation 0.5 to 0.7. Well, for that we need to make a function from this very equation from the first part. We can take theta on the other side, we will subtract it, and now we have a function for f theta. Now we can put 0.5, 0.7. If one is positive and one is negative, then it means the root lies between the range. Now the third question, the last question, use the iterative formula based on the equation on part A to determine the theta correct to 3 decimal places. Give all answers to 5 decimal places. Well, I have done it a little short. We will just have to put it in the third part. We are going to use the first equation. What will be like? It will be like theta n plus 1 is equal to 1/3 pi plus sine 2 theta n and bracket and end of the bracket. Now we will put the first value as 0.5 plus 0.7 divided by 2. That will give us 0.6. Then we're going to put this value in this theta to find the second value and the third value and fourth value, and we will get 5.86. Hope it was helpful. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.